Predicting the weather can be difficult, but being prepared doesn't have to be. I'm meteorologist Rick Reichmuth, founder and CEO of Weatherman Umbrella. And as a meteorologist, I've experienced my fair share of unbelievable weather. Just over 2 years ago, we released the first Weatherman umbrella to stand up to all the elements people encounter. Since then, we've been able to help hundreds of thousands of people all over the world be better prepared for anything that Mother Nature throws at them. And even more importantly, we've been able to support groups that we deeply care about along the way, such as supporting higher education for families of veterans. Weatherman has always been focused on developing high-quality products that are reliable in any condition and can withstand anything from a surprise afternoon shower to the heaviest downpour. More than ever, we're committed to keeping you going at the speed of life, especially when life catches you out in the rain. At Weatherman, we believe there's always a way to innovate and improve. Thanks to your messages, your emails, and your phone calls, we felt like we've experienced your rainiest adventures right alongside you. We know you love the minimalist, functional design of our past collections. We also know you want something that is smaller and lighter to carry with you on the go, to be more portable than anything we've ever designed before. After 18 months of research, testing new ideas, and implementing new mechanics, we're proud to announce that we've taken all our best features to engineer our smallest umbrella yet. Introducing the Weatherman Travel. The Weatherman Travel maintains best-in-class strength in the wind, despite its small profile, and keeps you covered with durable water-resistant canopy to keep you dry in the rain. Safety is always paramount for us, which is why the Travel maintains nighttime visibility with our signature reflective edges. Even in the poorest of conditions, you'll be easily spotted by motorists and pedestrians. We've added a brand new feature to the Weatherman line, a pop-to-close button on the handle that opens and closes a canopy of your umbrella with just one click, even when your hands are full. With our optional Bluetooth tracker called the Droplet, and the free Weatherman app, you're covered with up-to-date alerts and features such as the location of the most recent connection to your Weatherman. Make sure you never forget your umbrella on the go ever again. Whether you're packing a bag for work, getting ready for your next international vacation, or simply just out for the day, the Weatherman Travel doesn't just keep you safe and dry, it'll keep you from ever having to slow down. After 18 months of refining design concepts and integrating your feedback, we've built our smallest umbrella yet. We are thrilled to release to you your newest Weatherman, the Travel. Now, it's time for you to take it outside, wherever your travels may take you.
How many times have you been outside and wished you could cool off? Well, lucky for you, now you can. Hi, I'm Rob, and this is Andy.
We surfed together in the Marines, and now we're working on a new project.
It really cools down. Wow.
Like it really cools your body down.
Oh, that feels amazing.
It's in the right spot to cool it down.
That's like the worst spot is on your back usually. So
I've been in the emergency room 3 times for overheating and dehydration.
It's not noisy, it's good. I don't even hear it.
Oh my god!
Like it?
I should get 2, you know?
Yeah, that does work, man.
Oh my god. Now I need 3.
Dude, that's really good. That's like the spot too.
I create a blow to have a positive impact on other people's lives. Whether you're dealing with multiple sclerosis, menopause, or any activity that heats you up outside, how will blow help cool you off? By combining airflow with aromatherapy, blow allows essential oil users to bring the health benefits of their diffuser on the go. Use it to cool off during a variety of activities, such as running, hiking, biking, working out, and anything else. With a battery lasting 4 to 8 hours, Blow is easily rechargeable with a micro USB. It has 3 speeds and is hands-free so you can multitask. Andy and I received numerous awards in the Marines, and now we've teamed up with a group of advisors and engineers that specialize in manufacturing.
We are Power Practical, and this is Luminoodle. We set out to make a versatile, durable lighting solution that could stand up to any of our adventures, as well as our everyday lives. Luminoodle comes in 5 and 10 foot lengths and provides up to 360 lumens of LED light. It's powered by any type of USB port or battery pack, and it is waterproof with its silicone-wrapped case. We designed a unique fastening system that leverages built-in loops, magnets, and our custom-designed noodle ties. The Luminoodle comes with a white ripstop carrying bag that doubles as a lantern. Use it anywhere and show us how you use your noodle.
A NOPE cooling clip radiator adopts advanced semiconductor refrigeration and cooling radiators to dissipate the heat in 3 seconds, compared with the traditional cooling fan. It will reduce 50% gain lag. When cooling process starts, the cell phone will rapidly cooling down to 0 centigrade and transmit to the CPU with silicone grease to form a condensation cycle, continuously cooling your mobile phone. It only weighs 45 grams, adopting vacuum plating process to keep noiseless when working.